Dear students, this is episode 2A of the series English through Conversation. Listen to the conversation of the teacher and Ashlesha.
Ashlesha, show me your notebook of maths. I am going to check your homework.
Sorry, sir. I could not complete my homework yesterday.
Why couldn't you complete it?
It's because I had to go to my uncle's at Varanasi in the afternoon. We came back home at the dead of night.
Okay, sit down.
Dear students, let's see how English grammar works while making sentences in different situations. In the beginning, the teacher uttered, Ashlesha, show me your notebook of maths. First, the teacher caught Ashlesha's attention by naming her. We do so when we want to talk to anyone of the person present in front of us. There were many students in the class, so the teacher called one student by her name. Then he said, show me your notebook of maths. This is imperative form of simple sentence. This may be called a command or an order. We may command others to get the things done by them. Here, teacher commanded Ashlesha to show him her notebook of maths. He might have spoken to other students also to get different tasks done by them. Listen to the teacher again.
Open your book at page number 10. Shambhavi, come here and explain this line. Tanuj, stand up and read the lesson loudly.
You may also make such commands to others whenever you think it's necessary. The teacher also uttered another sentences. First he said, Ashlesha, show me your notebook of maths. Then he uttered, I am going to check your homework. He has used I am going to check. This is a verb phrase made up of be-type verb is, am or are plus going plus to plus first form of verb that is called infinitive form of the verb. We use this verbal phrase when we plan to do something in near future. See the sentence again. I'm going to check your homework. We may also use I'll check your homework in place of I'm going to check your homework. But the first sentence is stronger in meaning than the second one. When the speaker wants to lay emphasis on sentence showing future tense, going to is often preferred. Listen to some more examples. A student may say, I am going to take part in poem recitation tomorrow. Some students may say, we are going to play a football match with the rival team. A student may say, he is going to lodge a complaint against you to the class in charge. A mother may say, I am going to make a delicious dish for the family today in the evening. A businessman may say, I am going to import more LED TVs this year. A farmer may say, I am going to harvest a bumper crop this year. Dear students, today we have discussed number 1, as to how we catch attentions of others. Second, give commands or orders to them. And finally, use going to plus infinitive of the verb in the sentences showing future tense. In the next episode of this, I am going to discuss some more structures to you. Keep watching and sharing my videos to your friends. And do not forget to click on the subscribe button of my channel. Have a good day.